Hi, this is Dr. Goulet, and I'm going to try to show you using another video recording service how to insert a hyperlink into your journal entries. So you can see I'm here. I clicked on the Create a Journal Entry link, and I'm going to put in my title. I'll just say Journal 1. Then I'm going to go down here to the text box, and I'm going to put in a couple of different links. So last weekend I purchased pretzels, I can't spell here, from Nantucket Bakery. Now, you don't have to link places you purchase things. It's not a requirement for this journal entry, but for instruction purposes, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you want to highlight Nantucket Bakery. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here. I actually have Nantucket Bakery saved. So if you look up here, you can see here's Nantucket Bakery. So I'm going to copy this link, nantucketco.com. I'm going to go back to my Create a Journal Entry page and scroll down here. There's Nantucket Bakery highlighted. I'll click on this little chain that says Insert Edit Link, and I get to this page where I can insert the link. So link path, you want to paste your Nantucket link into there. When you get to target, click on the open in a new window. It won't work if you don't click on that. And then I'll just, this title is really an ADA accommodation feature for this, for Blackboard. But basically, if somebody uses a screen reader to read things on their computer, this title would read Nantucket. So you can include that. Then I'm going to move the screen over here, and you can see at the bottom it says Insert. This will insert the link for me. And if I go back, we can see that my Nantucket Bakery link is linked. So I'm going to just do one more to show you again, just to make sure everybody has it. I found that they were selling these from, and this is a true fact, this is what I did last weekend, an Instagram post, which was an external influence to me. And it really was, because if I hadn't seen the Instagram post, I wouldn't have bought them. Okay, so I'm going to highlight Instagram, and then I'm going to take you to the Instagram page that motivated me to purchase this. So again, I've got Instagram highlighted. I'm going to go over to Nantucket's Instagram page, which you see here. And if you go down here, you can see those lovely pretzels that I was referring to. Again, I'm going to copy the URL up here. You can see it. I'll move the screen up here. There you go. I just copied that. I'm going to go back to my Create a Journal Entry. Instagram is highlighted. I'm going to go back up to this link, insert the link, and there's my link path. I'll go ahead and Control V or right click to paste it in there. Open in a new window. Remember, you got to click that on. And then I'll put Instagram because it's from Instagram. And then again, we'll go over here to the right and click Insert. Takes me back to my journal entry. And you can see, if I pull this over here, that we have both Nantucket and Instagram highlighted. So then I just have one more step I've got to do here, and that is to post the entry. So I pull my screen down here, I'll click Post, and there is my journal entry. So Journal 1, last week I purchased pretzels from Nantucket. If I click that link on, it in fact does take me to Nantucket. So we've got working links. I hope this is helpful, and I hope this gives you a better explanation and you're able to access it. Thank you so much.